Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to talk about the scale command. So the scale command is located in the modify panel. So this is the scale command. You can also type SC in the command line. Okay, this is for the scale command. So the scale command, it will enlarge or reduce the selected object. So let's say we have a square. So let's first create a square. We're going to use the rectangle command. Okay, rectangle command. And then we select T for dimension. And we're going to give the dimension 8 by 8. Okay, so this is now our square. Let's show the dimension. Okay. So, okay, so 8 by 8. So now, let's say we want to reduce this object by 1/2 of its original size. Our new object will be or will have the dimension 4 by 4. So we're going to reduce it by 1/2. So we're going to use the scale command. So let's select the scale command in the model panel. And then it says here, select the object. We're going to select the square, enter, and then specify the base point. So this is our base point. Okay, so now it will ask us specify scale factor, and we have the option of copy and reference. So we're going to use the copy. So this will create a new square with our new dimension. And now for our scale factor, since we want it to reduce 1/2 of its original size, so our scale factor will be 0.5. Enter. So now if we are going to get the dimension, our scale dimension, so this is now 4, and from here 4. So we just reduce it by 1/2 of its original size. So this is how we use the scale command. Another way is to use the reference. So in the reference, we are not going to give the scale factor. Instead, we are going to give the direct measurement or the direct dimension of the object that we want to scale. So example, let me first copy our original object. Okay, select, enter, base point, and we're going to move. Okay, scale. So now let's use this scale command. Okay, select the scale command, select the object, enter, base point. Okay, and we're going to use reference, type R, enter. So now we want this to have a new dimension, which is 6 by 6. Okay, so we're going to specify our reference length or our new length. So let's say from here going to this one, so this will now will have 6, enter. So we're going to check our new dimension that we scale. So this is now 6, and from here is also 6. So reduce the dimension from 8 to 6. Okay. So we did not give the scale factor, but instead we give the new length or dimension we want. So this is also another way in using the scale command. And lastly, we can use the scale command when we insert object in our drawing. Okay. So example, I have a floor plan. Okay. So this is a floor plan. This is a simple house. We have two bedrooms. Okay. Bedroom 1 and 2. We have the living room, the dining room. We have a kitchen and a bathroom. Okay. So now I will insert a furniture object into our bedroom. So I have here a furniture. Okay, so this is a furniture. So but first we are going to check the unit of this two drawing. UN for unit, enter. So this is uses meters. Okay. So this is in meters, and in our furniture, we'll check the unit. This is uses a millimeter. This is a block. Okay. So now we have two units. This is in meters and this is in millimeter. So let's say we are going to insert this bed. This is a block. Okay. So since this is in millimeter, if we are going to insert it, okay, select and then hold the left key and then drag. So as you can see guys, our object is very bigger compared to our floor plan. So here now we are going to use the scale command. So what will be our scale factor? Okay, so since we know that in 1 meter we have 1000 millimeter. Okay, so to get our scale factor, okay, so we're going to divide, or 1 meter, so divided by 1000. So we have 0.001. So this is now our scale factor. Okay, so let's use the scale command. Select the scales command, select the object, enter, specify base point, and our scale factor is 0.001. Enter. Okay, so now we are going to move this into our floor plan. Okay, move command, select the object, enter, base point. We're going to turn off the ortho mode, and now we're going to insert it into our floor plan. So let's say here. So now we're going to check the dimension. So let's first check in here. So we have here 1725 millimeters and 2015 millimeters. So we are going to, let's say, divide it Okay, so 1725 millimeters divided by 1000. So this should be 1.73 meters. Okay, so we're going to check because this is now already converted. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is now in meter. We have 1.73 meters. Okay, and here, okay, so we have 2.01 meters. Okay, so this is how to use the scale in inserting an object with a different unit in our drawing. Okay, so let's do another example. Okay, so I will going also to insert another bed in this second bedroom, but this second bedroom is smaller compared to our first bedroom. So again I will choose another bed. So let's see this one. Okay, so first we're going to get the dimension. Okay, so let's do. So we have 1350 millimeters by 1900. Okay, so we're going to insert it, select the object, hold and click left mouse, and then drag the object to its new location. Okay, so now this is now the object. Okay, so we're going to scale this, but we're going to use the reference. Okay, so what will be our reference, our new length to fit in our floor plan? So again, we're going to divide this, okay, 1350 divide by 1000, because in 1 meter we have 1000 millimeters. So this will become 1.35 meters. So now let's use the scale command. Select the object, enter, select the object, enter, base point, okay, reference for R for reference rather, enter, and then for our new, this will be 1.35. Okay, but first we're going to specify our reference from here going to here. This will become 1.35 meters. So we're going to move this, move command. Okay, select the object, base point, this one. Okay, let's say we're going to put it here. Okay, and we're going to check the dimension. So 1.35. Okay. So this is another way in scaling our object. And I want this room to have the same cabinet with this one, since they have the same dimension. So we can use the mirror command, and then I'm going to select this one, enter, and then we're going to pick up the center. Okay, we're going to turn on our ortho mode. Okay, and then no, enter. Okay, so now we have cabinet here and the same here. Okay, so this is how to use the scale command in our drawing. Okay guys, so this is it for the scale command. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive the latest video from this channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.